Swedavia is the airport company whose thinking goes beyond airports. We want to make it easier for people to meet. We want to make great distances small. With our airports, we help provide the access Sweden needs to make travel, business and meetings easier. In Sweden, in Europe and across the world. We are proud to know that Swedavia is part of national as well as international mass transit. We have 2,500 employees who take care of 28 million passengers at our airports each year. Over 75,000 people a day travel via our airports. The employees is Swedavia. With our dependability and strong commitment, as well as innovative and courteous approach, we provide content at our airports that matches passenger and customer needs. We strive to develop into a company whose values are integral to everything we do. Our goal for 2014 is to increase satisfaction among employees and passengers to 80%. Swedavia's airports are role models. Swedavia is a world leader in running climate-smart airports. And we intend to be even better. We want people to fly with a clear conscience. So we aim to be a world leader in sustainability as well. As good neighbors, we are doing everything we can to reduce our environmental impact, while at the same time we want to increase access for as many people as possible. A Swedavia that takes environmental responsibility and is allowed to develop, contributes to increased growth, more jobs and thus greater prosperity around the airport, in the local community, in the region and throughout the country. Our airports allow Swedes to get out into the world, and they allow the world to come to Sweden. Aviation is needed for long distances, both in Sweden and abroad. For trade and growth, for culture and exchanges, for friends and family, for leisure travel and holidays. Together, we bring the world closer.